Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? The operation of the following items is forbidden during takeoff, landing, and when the seatbelt sign is on. Cassette players, electronic games, portable computers, CD, DVD and VCD players, radio and TV receivers, and portable video equipment, or similar battery-powered electrical and electronic equipment. The operation of the following items is forbidden during the entire flight: radio transmitters, portable phones, walkie-talkies and remote-controlled toys, or any equipment transmitting electromagnetic waves.
Cabin crew, thank you so much. Please take your seats for takeoff.